Hello everyone, this is Ayush Rathore from IIT Madras, and today we are with our new topic, that is visible spectrum consisted in electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves, the visible spectrum is a part of electromagnetic wave. It is an electromagnetic wave and it is visible with our naked eyes. Naked eyes we can see the visible spectrum. So Vibgyor, do you know about Vibgyor? A rainbow consists of Vibgyor. A rainbow consists of Vibgyor. A rainbow consists of Vibgyor. When rainbow is consisted of Vibgyor. V stands for violet. V stands for violet. I stands for indigo. I stands for indigo. B stands for blue. B stands for blue. G stands for green. G stands for green. G stands for green.
Yellow.
Y stands for yellow. Y stands for yellow. O stands for orange. O stands for orange. R stands for red. R stands for red. So this is the meaning of Vibgyor. So violet is having the highest, the lowest of all wavelength. The lowest of all wavelength. Violet color is having the lowest of all wavelength. Wavelength of violet color is the lowest. Wavelength of violet is very lowest. The wavelength of red, the wavelength of red color is highest. Highest of all wavelength is red. Red color is having the highest of all wavelength. Prism. Do you know about prism? A prism generally disperses the light. Dispersion of light phenomena occurs in prism. In 7 colors, prism split. In 7 colors, prism splits the lights. That phenomena is known as dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. So this Vibgyor is formed in this dispersion. So red color is having the highest wavelength of all colors. So red color is used in many things, just like the hoardings and boards. At the night time, red color is much and more visible in the roads. Red lights are there, street lights of red color. So stoppers of red colors are present. Since red color is having the highest wavelength of all colors, then the lowest wavelength is of violet colors. This Vibgyor is formed in prism, a rainbow. In a prism, 2 examples of this. You had studied about prism and rainbow. Rainbow formation also consists of splitting into 7 colors. This phenomenon is known as dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. When the visible spectrum is properly visible in case of a prism or a rainbow. These 2 things are having the phenomena of TIR. TIR, total internal reflection. Total internal reflection. In optics we study about total internal reflection. It is nothing but when the light comes, when the light enters from one medium to another medium and again it comes with the same, in the same medium, this reflection is known as total internal reflection. This occurs in rainbow and prism as well. Rainbow and prism as well. Rainbow formation is due to TIR, total internal reflection. Mirage also consists of total internal reflection. What is mirage? In desert areas, when we go to the desert areas, we see water is available to the nearby areas. But that is not in actuality. It is a fake. It is a fake generation by our eyes. This phenomenon is known as mirage. Again, one of more application of TIR is one more optical fiber. Optical fiber, we are enjoying our internet speeds because of optical fiber. Optical fiber is a device which transmits signals with a very fast route. In an optical fiber, signals are transmitted in a very fast mode so that internet signals are transmitted to us. In the form of claddings, and optical fiber is also an application of total internal reflection. So this visible spectrum is Vibgyor. violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, etc. These are the visible spectrum. So these colors are present in visible spectrum.